Welcome to the Jaes Company YouTube channel. Today, we'll take a journey into the future of manufacturing to explore Industry 5.0, a new phase where technology and humanity collaborate to create products that are more sustainable, efficient, and personalized. To understand how we got here, let's start with Industry 4.0. In recent years, digitalization has transformed factories into interconnected and automated ecosystems. Sensors, robots, and communication systems have made it possible to gather and analyze huge amounts of data, improving efficiency and reducing errors. This approach has optimized processes, but has often overshadowed the role of human beings. Industry 5.0 turns this logic upside down, putting people back at the center. Today, the goal is not just to produce more faster, but to create an intelligent production system capable of meeting environmental, social, and individual needs. It's a collaboration between humans and machines where AI and advanced robotics stand alongside workers, freeing them from repetitive or dangerous tasks and enhancing their creative and decision-making abilities. When we imagine a modern factory, we often think of robots welding, assembling, or transporting parts. However, with Industry 5.0, these robots no longer just follow predetermined orders. They're guided by AI systems able to learn from data and adapt their behavior. For example, they can detect anomalies in machinery, preventing breakdowns and unexpected downtime. This makes production lines more responsive and resilient. But the real change is in the synergy between people and technology. Human operators are no longer simply machine controllers, but creative partners who use advanced tools to solve complex problems and innovative processes. A fundamental pillar of Industry 5.0 is sustainability. In recent decades, increased production has had a significant environmental impact. Now, thanks to advanced algorithms, it's possible to monitor energy consumption in real time, identify waste, and adopt solutions to reduce environmental impact. Further, integration with renewable energy sources has become more efficient. Factories can interact directly with solar or wind generation systems, adapting to the availability of clean energy. Moreover, the circular economy is no longer an abstract idea but a concrete reality. Recycle and reused materials become an integral part of the production chain, reducing waste and costs. Industry 5.0 isn't just a technological revolution, it's a unique opportunity for young people to build their future in a changing world. New jobs are emerging. Roles that combine creativity, analytical skills, and the use of advanced technologies. Robot designers, data experts, sustainability technicians, or virtual reality developers, tomorrow's professions require curious minds ready to innovate. This is the perfect time to acquire skills in artificial intelligence, robotics, and sustainability. The future is within reach, and it's new generations who will drive this revolution. Looking ahead, we can imagine factories where humanoid robots work side by side with operators, and augmented and virtual reality are used to train staff and design new products. The transformation is not just about speed, but an approach that values every resource, human and material, creating a production system that works in harmony with the environment and society. And you, what do you think will be the next big change in the world of manufacturing? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video useful, let us know by leaving a like and a comment, and feel free to share it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We also recommend visiting our website, jaescompany.com, to learn about our upcoming projects.